What's up guys, Buddy Davison back with another video for you. Today's video, another Teespring tutorial where we go through how to find design ideas in 2020. So where do you look, where to go? Let's check out the best websites that I've found so far. So make sure to check out my website, bodydavison.com, which is just here. This is my new website that I've set up. I'd love to get your feedback. And I have been busy with the blog here, putting in all sorts of different blog posts and typing them all out. It actually takes ages, so I've been putting a lot of effort into these guys. So I'd love for you to go and check them out and see what you think with all my tips and that, because that's what I'm going to use the website for. But anyway, Teespring tutorial. So the first website is obviously going to be Teespring. So let's choose a niche, and let's say we're going with the fishing niche. So we'll just go to apparel, and let's say we're just looking up fishing t-shirts. So we're going to go to the hobbies section, and then will be fishing t-shirt, and then it's going to bring up a lot of different ones here. So the first thing you're going to do is get a lot of design ideas from here. So you're going to see what's looking good. You can cross-reference it by checking it out on Facebook and just seeing what it's like on these other websites I'm going to show you. So you're just trying to get some design inspiration, I guess, and then some of these other websites, or one of these other websites I'm going to show you, will really let you know if that shirt is selling. So definitely check out Teespring and go through. The other ones are obviously like Sunfrog and other websites that I've shown you guys, and you can do the exact same thing. Just search out the niche. So let's go fishing t-shirt, and then you do exactly the same thing. So you'll see a lot of these same shirts are on all of them, and that's because, like I've suggested before, you should have your designs on all of these websites. You're going to have a way larger net out there to catch more fish, no pun intended. So let's get rid of that one. So the next one's going to be Pinterest. Pinterest is really good for design inspiration as well, especially looking up quotes and things like that. So let's go fishing t-shirt on here, and then bring that up, and again we'll probably see the same sort of shirts on this one as well, but again you're going to get a lot of design ideas this way. And just go through and check out any ones that are helping you. Write down your ideas, screenshot your ideas, and then design your ideas from there with all the other design tools I've shown you in other videos. So that's that. Now, this is the most important one, the last one, which is Etsy. So Etsy is absolute gold for finding good t-shirts. So I'll show you why. So if we go fishing t-shirt, now the beauty of Etsy is it's going to give you these reviews here, and that's going to tell you how well these shirts are selling. So this is what the big difference is with Etsy, and how you can cross-reference your other shirts onto here. So if let's just go back for a second. So if we went Teespring again, and we went, just going to apparel for a second, and then we went fishing t-shirt, whoops, I put an O in there, fishing t-shirt, just like that. Alright, so let's look at one. I'm a fishing dad. Alright, so let's go with just that there, I'm a fishing dad, and then go back to Etsy, and then go, I'm a fishing dad, and maybe put in shirt. So it's going to show you the exact same design again, because like I said, a lot of these people have put all of these ones up on all the different websites. So what you would do there is, if you saw it on Teespring or Sunfrog or wherever else you've seen it and you thought it looked like a good one, you can actually cross-reference it with Etsy and actually see how well it's been selling on there. So let's just go back for a second and go fishing t-shirt. And then, yeah, we'll go back to what we were doing. So as you can see here, this one's got 10,364 reviews. So if we just do some quick maths on that, hang on a second, I'll rip out the calculator. 10,364 times 29.52. That t-shirt alone has sold $305,000 worth. So that is just insane, isn't it? And then obviously when you've got that sort of volume for one t-shirt, look how basic the design is, by the way. This is the thing that people struggle with. They think they need to do these really elaborate designs like this, or, you know, be some sort of amazing person with Photoshop. But the thing is, the shirts that sell the most are usually just plain writing like this. Maybe they have a little logo like that, but usually they're like just writing like this one down here. So if we go down, this is my fishing t-shirt, has sold 7,021. So that's so plain and so basic, and it happens over and over again. There's a design there, but that one's a bit more in depth, but it hasn't sold that many. This has got 3,726, and it's just, as you can see, just lettering like all of these ones. So this is the thing with t-shirts, and this is what's really interesting about it. The ones that sell the most are usually, like here, 2,500 reviews, are usually just writing. So it's just writing in different sorts of formats. Look at this one, beer fishy fishy. That'd be a popular one. You could tell that'd go well. Here, fishy fishy fishy. Like, these are just very, very basic, and they're just lettering, and they're just in different designs and selling so many. So this top one's pretty crazy. That should inspire you. 10,000 plus reviews. So that means more people than that have bought it, because not everyone leaves a review. So let's say that it was like 15,000. It could easily be that many people, times $29 for one shirt. So that's a $300,000 shirt design right there. So yeah, this is the best way to check out design ideas on Etsy, and yeah, this is how you should cross-reference whether your shirt's any good. So even you can do this for anything. So you can go yoga t-shirt, and then it's going to do the exact same thing. It's going to bring up yoga t-shirts, and you're going to be able to see, like, look at this. It just says breathe, 1,199 reviews, just in different fonts. Just breathe, 350 reviews. This one, yoga, with a girl flexing like that. You could get someone to design that easily. 14,000 reviews. Absolutely crazy, guys. So anyway, that should inspire you. Please give the video a like. Please hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.